Hey girls, what should I get good at?
Peanut butter cookies. Yeah, peanut butter cookies.
Peanut butter cookies?
Yeah, peanut butter cookies.
All right, let's get good at that.
Get good at that.
Hey, okay, again, this one is crazy simple. You're gonna love it. It's peanut butter cookies made the right way, and of course, we're gonna start with peanut butter. We're gonna also add some sugar to this, and
An egg.
an egg, and then finally we're gonna put a pinch of salt in there. Gross, no, salt. Let's get started. So here it is, crazy simple. You ready for this? 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of salt. One. Crazy simple, right?
Everything's
Liberty.
one.
Everything's one. Liberty's gonna take all of these things and put it in that bowl with this scraper. And then I'm gonna get the blender. Let's do it. So we're just gonna put it all in the bowl. First the cup of peanut butter, then the cup of sugar, the teaspoon of salt, and finally an egg. You don't have to worry about the pattern with this. Just get it all in the bowl. Then blend it up nice and smooth. And that is it. These are done.
Wait, they're done?
Yeah, it is quick, isn't it?
Yeah.
Here. So Liberty's using a regular tablespoon to measure these out and just plop them onto the pan. So Liberty, do you get excited about peanut butter cookies?
Not unless you're making them.
That's right. And why is that?
Because they're so good.
They are. These don't actually expand as you bake them, so you have to smush them down with a spoon prior to putting them in the oven. All right, so that's it. Now these are gonna go into the oven at 350 for 8 minutes. They're a super quick treat. Let's get it going. That's what I'm talking about right there. See that little brown edge there? And right there around the edge, it's starting to get a little brown. That's perfect. Yeah, right there. Sweet, I'm gonna take these out. So there it is, peanut butter cookies brought to you by me and Liberty. This is the best recipe for a quick treat. If you've got people coming over and you wanna just do something really quick that you actually make from scratch from 4 super basic ingredients. It's not gonna be healthy, but it's definitely not that bad of something to put together. So try it out, live a happy life, learn something new. Get good at that.
And I want to eat it.
And Liberty wants to eat it.
Get good at that.